Understanding Petered Out, a guide to the phrase. Hello and welcome, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English phrases, and we're shining the spotlight on petered out. Whether you've come across this expression in a book, heard it in a conversation, or stumbled upon it in a movie, you're in the right place to discover its meaning and usage. Petered out is an idiomatic expression that means to gradually come to an end, diminish, or die out, often after a period of abatement or decline. It's like watching a candle flame slowly flicker and fade away until it's extinguished. This phrase can apply to tangible things, like a diminishing resource, or intangible concepts, like a waning interest or enthusiasm. The phrase, petered out, has an interesting history. It is believed to have originated from the mining industry in the 19th century, where it referred to a mining vein that was being exhausted of minerals. The term, Peter, is thought to be linked to the name Saint Peter, which in turn is associated with rock and miners. Let's look at how to use petered out in various sentences. After a few hours, the party petered out and everyone went home. The conversation started energetically but petered out as we ran out of topics. His enthusiasm for the new project petered out after a couple of weeks. Notice how the phrase seamlessly fits into different contexts, always conveying the sense of something gradually diminishing or ending. If you're looking to expand your vocabulary, here are some synonyms for petered out. Faded, tapered off, waned, died down, diminished. Each of these can be used in similar contexts, but remember, slight nuances in meaning might make one more appropriate than another depending on the situation. And there we have it. Now you know all about the phrase, petered out, what it means, where it comes from, how to use it, and some synonyms to boot. I hope this video has been informative and has added a nifty expression to your English repertoire. Keep practicing, and you'll be peppering your conversations with idioms like a native speaker in no time.